Back to work. Here's a little word of advice of something that I learned in the real estate business that could probably help you in your business. In the beginning of any career, like for us, it was our real estate career that we fell in love with. You really have to hustle. You got to put in the time. You got to grind because you really don't know. You really don't know the things you need to do to get the easier financial opportunities. So in the beginning, you just got to go hard. You got to sacrifice long nights. You got to sacrifice time. You got to just go for it. However, as time goes on, if you do this right, if you run your business correctly, if you take the time to put in the work, and everybody talks like they put in the work, but putting in work is actually a very difficult thing to do. But if you do that and you put in the work and you increase your financial ability from just the sheer grind and the hustle and just going for it in your business, eventually what you should be able to do is start getting paid more, save some of that money. Then if you're intelligently going after the things that you want, what you should be able to do is, once you save that money, you should be able to invest it. They say like only 8% of realtors actually invest in real estate or have investment real estate. And I'm assuming that number is not that much higher for other professions or businesses. But if you do take that money that you hustle to earn, and then you go and you start learning about how money makes money, how to create opportunities through investments, how to buy buildings, how to lend money, how to use your money to make you more money and create more opportunities for you and your family. In the beginning, yes, you do have to hustle, and if you're not smart, or if you're just get stuck in this hustle mentality, what's going to happen is you're going to hustle forever. But if you hustle, make money, buy investment properties, eventually you'll start seeing a light at the end of the tunnel. Because to me, running a business, doing sales, it's just a means to an end. Because the business, the hustle of business is just a lot. A lot of people burn out. A lot of people get tired. A lot of people just, how long can you hustle for? It's not in everyone to just wake up every day and go at it. Wake up every day and go at it. So the biggest thing becomes security. And if you hustle and work hard and then eventually create opportunities for yourself to have more security for you and your family, maybe eventually you get to this point where you might not have to hustle as hard. And if you on top of all that, you live frugally below your means, and you just be intelligent, right? Don't buy everything. Don't spend every dollar you make. And you put that money away into safe investments that provide safe returns. Eventually what happens is you take the pressure off, and you might not have to work as hard. And then you can create opportunities where your money makes money for you, or you buy some assets that actually pay you back, not a depreciating asset like a car, an appreciating asset like a piece of real estate or stocks or bonds or anything that can help you create a bigger future for you, your family, and your friends. If you want to get started, or if you're in the process of getting through it, make sure you always follow me. Make sure you always reach out. I'm always trying to give you the information that I wish I got when I was earlier on in my career of building my career. So I wish you the best. I know you can do it.